made our way to the KDKA First Alert Weather Center, joining meteorologist Ron Smiley now with the details on the forecast. With so much happening,
a lot going on this week.
A lot going on.
Right, and we are going to see dry conditions when I think a lot of folks need it to be dry. Saturday night, Sunday is going to be dry, but we have rain showers that are heading our way today, and these will be around for the afternoon, evening hours. Kids have outdoor activities scheduled later on today. Those will potentially be canceled because of the rain that's heading our way. I don't expect we're going to see a lot of things. If they can't be canceled this afternoon, they likely will be with all the rain coming our way. Now, I want to show you because we're starting to see the at least the latest round of model data coming in has really started to push the track of the system a little bit further to the north than what it's been looking like the last couple of days. So I wanted to warn you about that before I start to bring in these rain totals. What yesterday looked like most of us would be looking at about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch. Now we're starting to see, especially down to our south, and it's not too much of a surprise down there. Look at this, 2-3 inches of rain that'll be possible, maybe upwards of 1.5 inches in the Pittsburgh area, some other areas at 2. I think the most important thing to take from this, we're more than likely going to see most places between ½ an inch to a full inch of rain. But there will be the potential that we could see some spots that are going to be a lot higher than that, could have obviously some flooding concerns because of those big totals that we're expecting. Lion's share of the rain for the weekend happens today. We'll wrap things up tomorrow morning into the early afternoon hours. Here comes the rain. This is at just 1:55 this afternoon. Not a lot of rain there, but we will continue to see things picking up. Remember that northern track that I was talking about? Well, it puts the core of the system right on top of us heading into the afternoon and the evening hours. It's not just this model, the graph model that's showing this. A number of data points continues to show this track going off to the north. The further to the north it is, obviously the more rain we're going to see, and we could even see kind of eking in a storm chance. That's still expected to remain down to the south, though. We'll quickly see this kind of sliding through today. We'll get a brief break when most folks are asleep, and then as you're waking up, a couple of very isolated, maybe even scattered showers. Even a thunderstorm will be possible first thing tomorrow through around 2 o'clock. That gets out of here by the time you're looking at those concerts going on a little bit later today. Things should, or should say Saturday, things should be dry at that point. 68, your high temperature today. That's a little misleading, though. Here's those forecast highs for you. And the reason it's a little misleading is because that's going to be hit at noon today. Temperatures will start to drop as soon as we see the rain showers coming in this afternoon. So there's that noon temperature, 68. We're near 60 degrees for the rest of the day after the rain arrives. Cool this weekend, and then we're warming up. We're in the 80s for highs next week.